Welcome back to Leeds Lifestyle. Today I'll be showing you how I do my daily night routine in my kitchen. So this is my kitchen and it's all dirty and everything. As you can see, the sink. So the sink is full of dishes. So I'm just doing a nightly routine. So if you're new to this channel, please comment, like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Welcome. So I'll start by using the Barkeeper's Friend cleanser and polish on the stovetop. My stovetop is stainless steel, so it's easy to clean. Then I'll go over with a dry cloth, then finish off or polish using a dry paper napkin. After cleaning the stovetop parts, I'll dry them and return them to the stove. I'm now using the Multipurpose antibacterial cleaner, and I will spray it on the island before wiping it down with a clean cloth. Even though I use the antibacterial cleaner, I like going over the counter with regular soap and water, and I just clean the counters, then I dry them using a clean paper towel. After that, I'll start loading the dishwasher. I like to thoroughly wash my dishes before loading them in the dishwasher. That's just my preference. The large dishes or those that need hand washing like pots and pans, I'll just dry them on the dish rack. I got this cute dish rack from Walmart and I really like it because you can fold it after using, so it doesn't take a lot of your space. I will finish off with the sink. This is my favorite part of the routine because I know I'm done with the dishes. I don't like doing dishes because I like a clean and I like a clean and shiny sink. I'll do the counters by first spraying the multipurpose antibacterial cleaner. I then wipe down the hand wash dishes and put them away in the cabinets and drawers. I proceed with then decluttering the dining table before cleaning it up. I'll just use the same procedure as the one I did on the counters. I then went ahead and swept the floor. Then I used the Swiffer. I got this wet jet Swiffer from Walmart. It's really great. So I used it to mop the floor because it wasn't so dirty. And I usually mop using a regular mop and bucket.
Oh my God!
After that, I cleaned the microwave and all the other appliances in the kitchen. I like using regular dish soap and water, then I finish off with the alcohol wipes. I use alcohol wipes just to make sure my microwave is clean and especially where on the handle and where people touch a lot. So this is about 1.5 hours of cleaning. This is how my kitchen table looks like right now. This is how my stovetop looks like. It's nice and clean. Everything is well arranged. My microwave is nice and clean. All the counters have been wiped down with alcohol wipes and everything nice. So this is how the kitchen sink is looking. Nice and clean. So these are the products I used. For the floor, I used the all-purpose cleaner. So I sprayed this on my tiles before cleaning with the Swiffer. Then on the counter, after cleaning with the soap and water, after drying the counters, I use the regular disinfecting wipes. Then for my stove top, I use the Barkeeper's Friend cleanser and polish. This shines the stove top and the sink. As you can see, the way the sink is nice and shiny. And then on my counters also, I use the Multipurpose antibacterial cleaner. As you know, this is quarantine time. You have to use all the necessary disinfectants. And this is my air fryer. So I wiped it down. It's looking nice and clean. All my counters are looking nice and clean. The floor is nice and clean. As you can see, I mopped the floor with the Swiffer. So I usually do this once in a while. I use the regular mopper, but during nights like this, when I'm in a hurry and I'm not like so much deep cleaning, I just use the Swiffer. I just sweep first, then I use the Swiffer. So this is how my kitchen is looking like. So after about 1.5 hours, I've been working out. I usually do my cleaning as a therapeutic thing to do. As you can see, I'm sweaty and everything. I can't wait to catch a shower. So it's been around 1.5 hours since I started cleaning, and I'm done, and the kitchen is looking nice and clean. So with that said, thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video and if you would like to see more of this transformation or more of these motivational videos about cleaning, comment. Don't forget to put it down on the comments, and I'm gonna put all the products that I use down in the description box. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Until next time, bye and God bless you.